my name is Audrey.
And my name is Aiden.
And today we're going to be making JoJo Siwa slime.
Yay!
Yay!
The JoJo Siwa slime from Nickelodeon comes with everything that you need to make super cute slime. So on the box you see you have some white slime glue, clear slime glue, various paints, glitter, some fun sparkly bows, and googly eyes. There's also a slime activator that gets it to the right consistency.
Okay, let's see what we got.
We have a JoJo slime storage case.
Let's see what's next. We have the clear glue.
Yes.
So we have our two slime activators. JoJo Siwa case. White glue, clear glue. The bowl, of course. The paints, the spoon. The sticks, the glitter, the bows, and the googly eyes.
Audrey's going to do glitter slime, and Aiden's going to do the fluffy slime. So fluffy slime stuff over there.
Ooh.
Storage case here. We got the spoon and the stirrer. And then after you guys make your slime, we'll do a slime challenge.
I know what color,
Whoa.
guys. Well, I'll see what colors I'm going to do. Neon green, neon pink. My favorite colors.
Okay.
And neon blue, if that's a color.
And also, I'm going to use the purple and the yellow. Actually, no, not the yellow. The green.
All right, guys.
Okay.
So let's get started.
You go first since you're the youngest.
Okay, now we're going to measure 15 milliliters into our measuring cup
Of clear glue slime.
of clear glue slime. Okay, so I got to pay attention on this. 1. Is this good?
Is it 15?
Nope. Yeah. Mm. Almost at 15. I think I'm almost on 10 to 15. Yeah. My tiny little fingers.
You got it?
Nope, it's on 10. I think it's on 15. Nope, still on 10. Come on. Okay, that's on 15.
Okay.
Okay, so now we gotta pour it.
Use a spoon. Scrape it out with the spoon.
And scrape it out.
Be careful. All right, and now we're going to add 20 milliliters of water into our measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. So add 20 milliliters of water.
Okay.
All right, you got it. Wait a minute. You might want to hold the cup flat on the table so you can measure the exact amount. Look down. Bend down and see, what do you have?
I have 15. It's almost at 20.
20. Okay.
Okay, 15.
20?
Yeah, 20.
Okay. All right, so now you're going to pour that in to your bowl.
Okay. Now we're going to add in our glitter and bow sparkles. Okay, let's pour it. Awesome. Doesn't that look good?
Ooh, that's a lot of glitter. All right, let's try adding just a little bit of bow sparkles.
Is this good?
I think that's good. All right.
Shall we mix it?
Yep, go ahead and stir. Start stirring. Yep, go ahead and start stirring.
I hope this turns out good.
I'm sure it will. Uh-oh, keep stirring, keep stirring.
Come on.
Yeah, the instructions say add half a packet of glitter, but that's totally cool. So now you're going to stir the glue, the water, and your glitter with the slime stick until it's fully blended.
Is it blending yet?
I don't know. Keep stirring. And now, as Audrey keeps stirring, Aiden's going to add 5 milliliters of the slime activator. So go ahead.
I'm good at math, so I should be able to get this.
Make sure 5.
5 ml.
Is it 5 yet? I think
5.
All right.
Okay.
So pour it in and stir at the same time. Pour it in slowly. Keep stirring.
I think this is starting to turn into slime.
Is it turning the slime?
Oh,
keep stirring. Up there you go.
It's turning.
Keep stirring.
I can't wait. It's turning. Guys, this might actually turn good. I can't wait.
Keep stirring.
Keep stirring.
The mixture will get thicker as the solution absorbs, guys. So stir it until all of the solution is absorbed. But be careful when using the slime activator and don't touch your hands or don't touch your face and your eyes if you get it on your hands. After all of the solution is absorbed, just go ahead and take the slime out of the bowl. But I don't know if it's absorbed yet. Let's see. You might need to do just a little bit more slime activator since we use so much glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was like 5 more drops. So keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Let's mix this baby up.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, keep going. Yep.
Come on. I think it's turning into slime. Yeah.
All right, guys. So I had to go back and add, I don't know how much more glue, some water, and some more slime activator. And as you can see, it's still a little bit sticky. So the purpose of the slime, you got to make sure you know it's ready when it doesn't stick to your hand. So we're going to keep working on this for a minute. Go ahead, Audrey, go ahead.
Guys, I can't get my slime right, but Aiden's going to add some water and stir.
Okay, watch out.
All right, so try to stir it now, and Audrey, clean your hands.
Let's hope this works, guys.
I really hope it does. This is a messy situation. Yeah. Come on.
It's a whole lot of slime.
We need more slime activator.
I think you need more glue too, because that's a lot. All right. That's good.
Wow.
There we go. It's starting to turn.
Okay, do I got my hand
Keep
up?
stirring.
Got it.
More glue.
You sure?
Yeah, it's not sticky enough yet.
Well, we already got it sticky enough.
Well, keep stirring. Don't mix it with your hands. That's what it says in the directions.
Is it turning right?
Yes, that's almost right. Just a little. Okay.
Activator. Guys, I hope this turns right, or else, dun dun dun.
Yeah, it's starting to become a little harder to pick up now. So yeah, we got the slime, guys.
We do.
Voila.
But now isn't it too watery?
A little more glue then.
Are you sure? Don't you just keep stirring?
No, because if I keep stirring, it's gonna be like even because I can still see the water.
Dun dun dun.
At this point, we said screw the directions, although don't squeeze the activator all. I have activator on my hand, so do you, so be careful. Now we finally got some slime. Maybe.
Maybe.
We might have better luck with the fluffy.
So guys, we got it perfect the way I like it. So let's try to do a little creations with it. Let's do a ball. Okay, can't do a ball exactly. I'm gonna make a pancake. Or whatever this is. Well guys, I got it done with with my favorite color, neon green. So if you ever want to try this, go to, if there's like a Nickelodeon store next to you or something.
Alright guys, after some trial and error, we could never get the glitter glue work or any of the clear slime to work, but we resorted to Old Faithful, and Audrey got her fluffy neon purple slime like she wanted, and Aiden has his neon green. We put them both in this handy dandy JoJo Bow slime holder case, and it seems to be so much fun. So, looks like they both got what they wanted. Let's go back to the kids and see what they think about their slime.
Well, even though the glitter slime didn't turn out as I wanted, this slime is still perfect.
Mine too. I like your color too, Audrey.
Thank you. I like your color more.
No, I like yours more.
More.
The same.
Yeah.
But, my face. Beep, 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 beep,
I got a
beep.
slime mustache.
I got a slime beard. You like that?
I'm French.
I'm Abraham Lincoln.
Oh, huh.
Oh, yeah? Who can build a good snowman first?
It's not even snow yet. You mean a slime man?
Yeah, I already got my 3 balls.
Hey guys, I have a Pinocchio nose. Mwah. It's
I'm
so
already
heavy.
winning.
It's dangling down.
I'm winning. And then I won.
Is that a slime snowball? I don't know. That looks like a slime rubber ducky. Or one of those, you know, those Easter treats? What are they called? The little ducks that everybody gets every year? Do you know what they're called? I forgot.
Those are bunnies.
The bunnies. No, but like the little... Are they bunnies? The little...
Yeah, they're chocolate bunnies.
No, not the chocolate bunnies. The other one. Puffy marshmallow thingies.
Uh,
Peeps. Are they called
Peeps.
Peeps? Yeah, that's what that looked like.
Those are rabbits.
Oh, whatever they...
I mean bunnies.
They're called Peeps. But at least I tried. I'll maybe get the hang of it.
I couldn't do it, but I made Sandman.
I can make Harley Quinn.
You sure?
Yeah.
She has a lot of designs in her color.
Okay.
Let's see whose slime's the longest.
You want a challenge? Whose slime is the longest?
Let's just go ahead and say it's me, because look at this.
Yeah,
That's long.
not mine. Thank you for watching our video.
And
don't forget to subscribe.
Did she take your line, Aiden?
Yes.
Well, you had a longer one then.
Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
You have a slime on your nose.
You did. You had slime on your nose. I just didn't say anything.